behold the marble columns, standing tall and steadfast. They are not just pillars of stone, but symbols of resilience. Let them inspire us to be the pillars in our own lives, supporting ourselves and those around us with determination and strength. As we admire the luxurious marble baths, let us remember the importance of self-care and relaxation. These baths, once a luxury of the wealthy, remind us to find our own sanctuaries of peace, nurturing our well-being amidst life's challenges. The walls, adorned with art, speak to the beauty of expression. They encourage us to find our voice, to carve our unique path, and to leave our mark on the world. Gazing through the huge windows, let's be inspired to look beyond our current horizons. These windows symbolize perspective, the ability to see and dream beyond the confines of our present. In this space of historical beauty and luxury, let's find inspiration to elevate our lives. Let it be a reminder that greatness lies within each of us, waiting to be unleashed. Just as this interior was once a dream turned reality for some, let it motivate us to pursue our dreams with the same fervor. Leave a comment below about what do you like the most?